All right, if we can look specifically at different biomes and look at the pictures and characteristics, and then I'm going to have you kind of silent read and go through them as well. So, what makes the grassland biome the grassland? It is characterized by land dominated by grasses rather than those large trees or shrubs. Grasslands have similar temperature swings as deserts, but typically have twice as much annual, which means yearly, rainfall. Deciduous forest. It is characterized by land dominated by large broadleaf trees that lose their leaves during the cold autumn and winter months. The precipitation is even greater than the grasslands, but most comes during those cold months in the deciduous forests. So kind of pay attention to the different pictures. Grassland, deciduous forest. Then we have coniferous forest, which is also known as taiga. Looks like taiga, it's pronounced taiga. Taiga is characterized by land dominated by large conifers, which are trees with cones, and it is said to be the largest biome here on Earth. So there's also a brain pop that goes more in depth on the animals and the features of the taiga, but that is a synonym for coniferous forest. Then we have the tropical and temperate rainforest. This is characterized by the large amounts of annual rainfall and the large dominated forest canopies. Tropical rainforests are found near our lovely equator, while temperate forests usually lie much farther from the equator, where weather patterns bring those large amounts of rain. And there's even another brain pop here specifically on rainforest. There's some pictures here is the tropical rainforest versus temperate rainforest. The tundra. It's characterized by the lack of tall vegetation and short growing seasons. For the majority of the year, the ground is frozen, solid. We call this permafrost, and the large roots cannot push through. Both types of tundra, or alpine and Arctic, have very long, dark, cold autumns and winters. Picture of our alpine tundra and Arctic tundra. So not good for vegetation, which is plant life here, because it's frozen solid, and that word is permafrost. Here's a variety of some freshwater biomes. Freshwater biomes vary from size and location, and from still to moving water. Each freshwater biome is a unique community that is nearly as diverse. Diverse means a variety of plants and animals, so having a nice combination. So it is diverse just like our lovely rainforest. So here's just some pictures of different freshwater biomes. And I love this map. If you guys focus on this slide, it has it all in different color codes to show you where here in North America you'll see the tundra, the taiga, coniferous forest, where that is very popular, our grasslands. And look at Ohio, a lot of that eastern half here is our deciduous forest and the desert. I really like this map because it includes all of the major biomes, and each biome is a climax community, and its location is based specifically on its climate, my bad. So if you kind of go back and look at this map, and then what I would like you guys to do now that I went through the slides is I want you guys to take 5 or so minutes to go through the slides on your own. You silent read it, look at those pictures on every single one I just read, and get familiar with the characteristics and the pictures. After you go through it, your teacher will then go through the different brain pops on the different biomes that were listed in the Google slide.